And this is science, by the way, right? These sounds are vibrations in the air, and some of the vibrations are higher frequencies, and some are, hit that one, lower frequencies, okay? So what Isabel's gonna do is gonna help me create a beat. Have you ever made a beat before? Okay, cool, you're gonna make one in front of all your friends, okay? So you can hit this button right here. Okay, and can you see the light that's moving on this thing? It's kind of hard to see, but there's a green light that's moving, okay? When that green light passes one of these notes, whatever note is lit will play. Does that make sense? Sounds in order, moving through time, right? So, you're gonna hit your snare drum first. Snare's right there. Tap that a couple times. Good. Don't be shy. There you go. Awesome. I want you to light up beat number 2 and beat number 4. Just light that up and then light that up. Yep. And tap it. That's good. Now listen. And you can see how it's lit. Right? So now she's going to light her kick drum up. Select your kick. Those go in. Go ahead. Light a kick on beat number 1 and listen. Right? How many notes are there? 3. Very good. Only 3 notes. These 3 notes are the foundation for most beats. A kick on the 1, a snare or something that sounds like a snare on beats number 2 and 4. Let's listen again. So what Isabella's going to do now is she's going to light up 5 more kicks anywhere in the first 2 rows and see how fast you can do it, right? Just hear how it sounds, right? So light up any 5. Go for it. It's got a little shuffle to it. I like that. I like that. Okay. We're going to do this one a little bit differently. Hit hi-hat. Hit this. Can you do this? Can you go like this? Go for it. Just follow me. Keep going. Really good. You see what happened there? Isabella then played in time. Instead of drawing the notes in by pressing the buttons, we recorded her playing it, and her timing is actually really good. Listen. And we can turn the metronome off. Very cool. Give it up for Isabella on that. All right. You can have a seat, Isabella. Thank you very much. And can I have my